Good morning everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. What is the best way to get rid of your weeds in an overgrown garden? Depending on your weeds, so on this property, what I've done is I've gone through and I've just snapped out all the seed heads. So not all of them, but most of them. All the big stuff that was up. And then I've sprayed the edges with Roundup and Glyphosate with my breakdown, because you've got all your grasses and then there's a garden bed over there which is just full of kikuyu, which I'll show you. So I've done all my edging with Roundup and Glyphosate. Now because you can sort of see the plants are moving from the wind, so what I've done is I've got my Buffalo Master and 2,4-D with my pre-emergence breakdown in there, and I've just sprayed right in and around all of those plants. So your Buffalo Master and 2,4-D, it may burn some of your plants, but it won't kill them. But when it's a lot easier to weed dead plants than it is to weed alive plants. So I've gone through and just sprayed all of this with, sprayed it. And then I've done the lawn here because I've got a lot of burn medic. So again, I've just used, because I've got kikuyu, Buffalo Master and 2,4-D. And then I've sprayed as much as I can with this of my Roundup and Glyphosate. And then I've just gone through and hammered these bigger plants with my lawn sprays. And then in a week's time, probably 2 weeks time, when we come back to hopefully weed it, it'll be a nice easy job rather than like to try and do this unsprayed. You're looking at about 2 hours by the time you came through and pulled everything out and then turned it up. You're probably looking at about an hour or less to do it once it's all sprayed. So that's kind of what I do on garden beds that are weed infested and overgrown. Just come through, spray them first, and then leave them for a week or 2 weeks, and then come and weed them. Best thing is to manage your weeds and be on them as soon as they come up and just keep spraying. Remember, 1 year of weeds is 7 years of seeds. Thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening, and have a beautiful day. See ya.